Hi, so for my project I decided to redo the montage project. With my original montage project, what I did was I took the scripture from Isaiah 2:2 about the mountain of the Lord's house, and so using that idea of the mountain and the temple, I just combined those two images together. Some of the things that I noticed that I wanted to fix in this project were when I tried to use the stamp tool originally, it came out a little bit splotchy, and the text did not work well with a decorative text and a serif text. They just didn't combine well. So in my revised project, what I wanted to do was I wanted to fix the text, so now I just have a plain sans serif font, and I fixed up the spots that were a little bit splotchy in the original project. But I also noticed in the original project there was that big blank space right there, so I wanted to fill it up with something. Originally I wanted to fill it up with an image of Christ, but wasn't able to find a good one. So instead I used an image of someone that was praying, and what I did was that I just added in this part right here. It was originally cut off, so added that in to make his head more round, and then added in this part right here. It was originally a Bible with the cross, so I just used the stamp tool and then added text here to make it look like the Book of Mormon. Some of the things that I learned from the semester were that about how to make things work together in a very smooth and very creative way. Some of the things I noticed was that a lot of my projects that I got critiqued on, it was just too busy, or like the elements didn't work together, especially with the font. So I learned how to make fonts and the images and everything just work together in a very creative way. One of my favorite things that I loved about this semester, one of my favorite projects, was actually the magazine project, utilizing those elements of the rule of thirds and of the design and layout, just combining in all those different elements that we learned from the semester and combining it all into one project. Biggest thing that I'm going to take away from this class is just the idea of how to create a good project. And when I say good, just I mean like in a project that is pleasing to the eye, something that is going to catch someone's eye right away, and that they're going to look at it and it causes them to think, and it also makes them want to appreciate it more. And overall, I feel like that's the biggest thing that I've learned, is how to make something look aesthetically pleasing and how to really work with what you have and just like take out that creative element, but at the same time making it work so it's organized, so that it is all combines together. And I feel like that's the biggest thing I've taken away from this class.